The chain is what keeps your motorcycle moving. It should be clean and lubricated at all times. It's easy and you can do it yourself. Here is how. To start with, you will need the following: Royal Enfield Chain Cleanser, Royal Enfield Chain Lubricant, a brush for cleaning, a piece of dry cotton cloth. All of these are available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. First, place the motorcycle on the main stand. Now rotate the rear wheel and apply Royal Enfield Chain Cleanser Spray on the drive chain link and leave it for 10 minutes. Clean and wipe the chain with a dry cotton cloth. Now apply Royal Enfield Chain Lubricant Spray with the help of a nozzle. Caution should be taken while operating with drive chain, as it may lead to finger injury. Remember not to spray Royal Enfield chain lubricant in excess. Always use a spray nozzle for safety. Also, do not wash the motorcycle after chain lubrication. Now check the drive chain movement by turning on the engine. You are all set for your trip. Keep riding.